Hello friend, this is a new video about other Power BI desktop man-hours monthly report developed for one company working in engineering sphere of action. As you see, this report is presented by one page. Top area is name, its functionality is just simple text box. Then text box filters, button functionality, two clear slicers if anything here is selected, clear filters button. Then filters area presented by slicers, all of which are just drop down type of slicer. We can select drop down to filter all information on page. Then we have high level metrics of original man hours, current man hours, expanded man hours, earned man hours, forecasted man hours. And the last card is PI project productivity index cumulative. Then we have productivity onshore. Sorry, it's always shows us the latest month, the latest QTR, and latest year productivity. It shows that for design engineering and construction commissioning certification engineering. Next visual is earned versus actual productivity. Earned versus actual productivity. It compares PI cumulative to PI period. As we took as an example a first period, the productivity is always equal. If we select some other periods, the cumulative and period productivity may vary. Next is earn and actual man hours for period. As we see, actual periods are green and periods are blacks. Then earn and actual man hours cumulative. Actual and current man hours presented by green and black color. And at the bottom, we see the man hour distribution by project phase and discipline information. So we see project, we see phase, and we see disciplines. Let me here show you the advantage of this drill down, drill up functionality. At current moment, we open everything as a hierarchical structure. But what if I want to see the cumulative PIs for example, projects? In this case, I will go up and I gone up 2 times and now see information for project. If I will use this hierarchical arrow, I will see the previous picture which was shown previously. If I go this is with drill down this parallel arrows, in this case I will go from the level of project to the level of phases, and I'm able now to see summaries of phases. If I go down using these parallel arrows again, I will see cumulative information for every discipline. If I don't want to use it, I go up 1 time, 2 times, and then I can use hierarchical arrow 1 level down, which is phase level, and one more level down, which is discipline level. So this is the power of Power BI, that you don't need to create several visuals. You can see all the information on the same visual just using this arrows drill up, drill down functionality. This table contains original and current estimates in man-hour and actual previous information, earned current and actual current information. It contains PI cumulative. It also contains PI for period. It shows earned and actual information for periods. Besides, it just shows remaining forecast and completion and variance forecast information. This report is quite short. Not very many information is given in it, but it shows us quite good visibility on how we are doing. If PI is okay, then it means we are doing okay. If PI is lower than 1, maybe lower than 0.9, then we need to think what's going wrong. Let's see what is the model look like for this report. As you see, we have quite several pages, quite several sources for this report. As I already explained, we are using snapshots in this report and comparing two snapshots to each other in order to understand that period, cumulative or period, PIs, and I don't know, man hours, changes, etc. So what does this model look like? We have current and previous tables. We're comparing them. We have status code. This is just for standardization. We use some codes and convert them into some text, meaningful text value in order to see the report more readable for user. The same here. It's project statuses in meaningful form. Statuses. Report contains many measures which are moved into one table named report values. You can see so many measures here. And as you see, some formulas used to create those measures. We have also lookup table, which gives us only, let's say, administrative information. Who is PE, who is project manager, cost engineer, what's the job type, what's the project number, etc. So this is a model of this report. Now let's go back, and I hope this video will be useful for. Maybe you will create something similar on your work, and have a good time. And thank you very much for watching this video.